Hey guys, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. Took a little bit of a break, a little bit longer than I was intending to, as life generally will do to you. The first week was just like I finished a big project. I'm just gonna mellow out and do nothing. Well, not do nothing, obviously. I was doing crazy shit all over the farm, but the second week was definitely just insanity induced because we were literally catching up on stuff around the farm. We built a quail enclosure and just doing some little catch-up projects, but we're back to it. If you like Harry Potter, you might enjoy the Simon Snow series by Rainbow Rowell. That is my inspiration for today. In the first book, Simon Snow, which is one of the main characters, is listing off his favorite things about going back to school. And at the top of his list are the sour cherry scones. And I was like, I've made blueberry scones before, but sour cherry just sounds like fun. It was a little bit of a trial and error to get sour cherries because I went to my trusty Global Foods, and even though I'm looking right at the jar that says sour cherries, I looked at the one next to it and I was like, well, man, that's a bigger jar and it's slightly cheaper. Why don't I get that one? Because that's not sour cherries, my dude. I had to send my wife on the way home from work, which was a bit of a gamble. I once asked her to grab me some corn syrup, and she picked up corn oil and just proudly was just like, this is the same thing, right? No, ma'am. But I sent her to get sour cherries. She got me sour cherries. And cross our fingers that everything goes well, which I think it should. Which usually means that something will go wrong. I'm not gonna go full Simon Snow and eat it with slabs of butter, but I did put a nice little bit of salted butter. Oops. That's really good. That would just be perfect. Nice chilly morning. Cup of tea. Cherry scone. I'm ready for fall, dude. I will say they're not perfect. They're a bit flat. Got some little flat earth scones. I think it was a combo. I think I smushed them out a little bit too much. But it's also fairly warm, which I know you're like, oh, but you're wearing a beanie. It's because I'm crazy. The butter got a little bit too warm. But overall, they're still really good. I wanted to eat them while they were still warm. That didn't happen. I don't have a magic spell to warm up my scones, but I do have a microwave or an oven. Or let's be fair, there's been enough toaster. If you haven't read the Simon Snow series, it's fun. I always just describe it as Harry Potter but gay. And I mean, it is what it is. I found it enjoyable. And if you're into audiobooks, the audiobook is fantastic. The guy who narrates it does a really good job. But hope you guys are doing well. It's finally starting to get cooler weather, which is why it's a little warm in here because I have all the windows open. But I had the door closed because chickens are really loud. So yeah, I'm excited to get back to filming regularly. If you have any suggestions on things you want me to make, whether it's literary or animated food, well, let me know. But yeah, that's all I got. Yeah, I'll see you next Tuesday. These are imported from Romania? Yeah, Romania. But I'm reading the jar and I started laughing and I was like, where's that font from? Does Disney know? Yeah, that's Disney font. So that's fun.